Hello, my name is CJ Haight. I'm the marketing manager at GlobalSpec. We are here at Automate in Chicago at booth 5480, showcasing our new engineering AI assistant that we have recently added to GlobalSpec.com. One of the amazing things about our website is we have over 4,000 specification guides, over 30,000 news articles, and over 250,000 industry standards. So it can be tough to navigate through all of that content to find the exact answer that you might be looking for. One of the beautiful things about the design of this AI model is it'll actually pay attention to the content you are already looking at on globalspec.com, and it'll suggest questions in order to help you dive further into that research. Or you can start the conversation all on your own by typing in a question to the text box. Once a question is asked, the engineering AI assistant will use the content that is sourced from globalspec.com in order to generate an answer for you. And one of the things that we really strive for here at GlobalSpec is transparency and reliable information. So with every answer that the AI assistant generates, it will also provide the sources that it used to create that answer, creating clickable links for you to follow that content and dive even further into your research. We're really excited about being here at Automate demoing this AI assistant. If you are here, please come check us out at our booth. And if not, you can find more information at globalspec.com.
Hello, my name is Tucker Hill. I'm here at the 2024 Automate Trade Show in Chicago, Illinois. We're here showcasing some of our instrumentation that we may use in the automation and robotics industry, and we're focusing on IO-Link communication protocol this year. So on the stand here, we have a few of our different Vega devices. On the left-hand side, we have a bar 28, we have the Pulse 42, the Point 31, and our bar 38. And with this, we have like a little pump control that increases the pressure. And what you'll notice is as we pump this and increase the air pressure, the colors change on this. And that's because we've set a couple different pressure points, as you can see with this changing of the colors. And that's what we're here to show off today at Automate. I hope to see you out here at booth 2795.
Hey guys, we're over here at Automate having a good time here in Chicago. Come check us out at our booth. This is Mets Connect. We specialize in M12 cables and all kinds of RJ45 adapters. Come check us out.
Hi, I'm Jason Kovarik. I'm with OnLogic. OnLogic builds, designs, and produces rugged and industrial computers. If you're looking at our website and you're wondering what a rugged PC is versus what an industrial PC is, it's pretty easy to determine. Our black and orange color scheme denotes rugged, which means minus 40 to 70 degrees Celsius operating temperature. Also, shock and vibration rated resistances on these. So if you're in a very harsh environment, let's say north of the Arctic Circle, and you're doing a mining operation, this is a perfect unit for something like that. If you're working more in an industrial automation setting, such as manufacturing for automobiles or pharmaceuticals, something like our little CL250 is really popular from the standpoint that it's small, can be placed anywhere. It's got a wide operating temperature, so 0 to 50 degrees, and it is basically an edge gateway. So it collects the information or the data from the machines and pushes it to its desired source, which could be the cloud or an on-site server. We're here at Automate 2024, and we're in booth 4436.
Hi, my name is Jan Hennecke, and I'm here at the IGES booth at Automate 2024, booth number 2067. So here at IGES, we focus on everything from little components to fully turnkey automation systems. Our motto for this year is the game of engineering. We really want that people have fun and enjoy their time when they use our components and configure products with it. So let me give you a quick tour of the booth. Over here we see our dry-lin technology. This is dry running linear actuators. Over here we have our dry running bushings. And then we're already jumping into the system space of RBTX, our low-cost automation robotics marketplace. Here you can see our IGES linear actuator paired with a UR robot on the 7th axis. We also, what's really special about us, we always show pricing because we want to make sure that people know if it's a fit or not. Going over here, we can see our gluing gantry. We really see a big market in the gluing space where we can help with our modular gantry systems. Also here you can see this whole system with the gluing supplied. The gantry and the framing is $14,077. Obviously we can always customize this to your need. We have the Rebel over here. It's our IGES robot, collaborative robot arm. 6 degrees of freedom, $6,899. Also a low-cost robot made by IGES in Germany. We have our highlight of the show. It's the game of engineering, where we have a Fanuc that is holding a box, and then we use our low-cost vision systems to pick dice from the chute place it on a conveyor, run it down the conveyor to a Delta robot that then, with the help of our low-cost vision integration, will place them back in the box of the FANUC. Check out the booth, it's really exciting. We're happy to have you. We have coffee and water and everything else.
We're Recognition Robotics here at the Automate show. We're at booth 4721. We have 2 demos going on here this week. First one over here is our new bin pick product. It's called Nebula Recognition Plus Planner. So with that, it's picking out of bins. You can pick in place. It's a 3D projector. As you can see up there, you can have the sequencer. It shows all your picks. You can do several different picks. It's made with our in-house built sensor for any of your bin picking needs. Over here we have ProFit. So this is for gap and flush. So if you think of car windshields, car roofs, take scans of the object and also where the object will be placed. So that provides an accurate gap and flush, so it's an equal gap distribution the whole way around.
Hi, Eric Alverson from DigiKey. We're at booth 2036. Make sure you stop by and come and see us. Today we're here talking to Weidmuller. They're showcasing their automated solutions here. They have their UOS system here. And we have Schneider Electric with their new Lexium collaborative robot, now available at DigiKey. We have Omron, who's showcasing all their IO Link solutions. They complete with their RFID scanner here. All different types of sensors, from proximity all the way to disconnects, everything. With Phoenix Contact, we're focusing on all their connectivity. We have everything from terminal blocks all the way up to heavy-duty connectors. We have their SPE portfolio available to you, all their M8s and M12 connectors. We have Siemens with their totally integrated automation, their TIA portfolio. Everything from power supplies to HMI to PLCs, they have it here at DigiKey.
Hey everybody, Kevin Welsh with SICK Sensor Intelligence here at Automate, booth 12, number 13. And I want to give you all a quick overview of a safety demo that we have here. Sensor solutions for AGVs or AMRs. SICK is a leading provider of LiDAR solutions and safety solutions that are inside of a lot of AGVs you may see running around your factory floor. If you'd like more information about this product, feel free to stop by to show you a brand new product from SICK, specifically our Safe Visionary 2. This is a brand new 3D vision system that's allowing us to stitch together multiple cameras to create an entire protective area around this Denso, as you saw that I just stopped. It's a really unique solution, and it's a great partnership with a company called Sensory Robotics that has developed the software using SICK hardware for a great safety solution. If you'd like more information on this, visit sick.com.
Hi, I'm Chris Waller, Safety Product Manager for Beckhoff Automation, and we're here at Automate 2024, and I'm at booth 1002. Today I'm talking about Twin Safe from Beckhoff Automation. The way that we handle safety is really quite unique, where normally you would have a controller that might have integrated safety and have I/O spread out across that system. Here we actually embed the safety in all of our safety capable devices, which is actually in the terminals themselves, as well as servo drives that we have here. And when I talk about embedding the safety, it's really not just the safety functions that you might expect from a drive, safe torque off, safe stop 1, things of that nature, but actually the logic itself to make decisions and become a safety master to other safety I/O devices across an entire network. So in that way, it allows us to separate out the safety basically into edge processing for all intents and purposes for safety, where instead of one big large project, we can have very small, easy to maintain bites of safety that are spread out that then communicate with each other as necessary. In this demo, what we actually have is this SICK laser scanner connected to an EL1918 I/O and logic module for safety, and then the drives themselves are actually controlling the safety. So here, what we're doing is running safe limited speed as we get closer, and then as we get closer still, we'll go into safe torque off for both of the drives. So we've got 17 safe motion functions available, and it's integrated with all new drives and safety devices.
Hey guys, my name's Anthony Prerost. I'm at booth 112 at Automate 2024 representing Icotech USA. We are an alternative to your traditional cord grip. So if you look over here, you'll see a pretty simple solution to a consistent problem in panel building, machine building, and automation. Cable entry into your enclosures, into your machines, or other applications like that. Rather than punch a dozen holes, spend an entire day running cables, you run 12, 20, 40 cables into a single knockout with a concise, compact solution. Maintain your IP and UL ratings, keep a clean look on your machine that you spend a ton of money building, and be able to handle maintenance, repairs, or anything else in the future with very easy application. It's modular, it's very custom to what you are looking to do in regards to the application or the solution you're looking for, and variety of solutions for a very niche application and very niche problem is endless. So come by, stop at booth 112 at Automate 2024 and check it out for yourself.
Hi, my name is Serna Okoka. I'm the Director of Marketing at Auto by Rockwell Automation. You are standing in our booth at Automate Trade Show. We are in a massive 50 by 60 square foot booth with our full fleet of AMRs, or autonomous mobile robots, on full display. What you are seeing are auto AMRs transferring goods or automating a material handling process. Here, we're showing Auto 100, which is our smallest AMR, has a payload capacity of 150 kilograms, all the way up to Auto 1500, which has a payload capacity of 1,900 kilograms. For you Americans, that's 300 pounds all the way to over 4,000 pounds that we can automate in your factory. Also in our booth, we're showcasing our software called Auto Fleet Manager and Auto Fleet Analytics. This is us showing you how important the robots are, but it's really the software that you're selling. On that note, I'd love to introduce you to our colleague John Stanwood from Rockwell Automation, who's going to be showing you some of the exciting integration that we're doing with Auto Fleet Manager, Factory Talk Optics, and Plex.
Good afternoon. I am John Stanwood from Rockwell Automation. Here we're showcasing rapid integration from ground to cloud of the Auto Fleet Manager and the fleet of autonomous mobile robots, Factory Talk Optics, our modern HMI platform, and Plex cloud-based ERP. What we're doing is an industrialized cafe experience. So Jeff's going to come over. Jeff kind of already told me he would like some coffee. So similar to when you go to your favorite cafe, they want to know who you are. So we scan Jeff's badge so we can tie our order to Jeff. I'm going to order coffee. And at this time, we've created an order. So we know who you are, what you've ordered, when you ordered it, and that it's open. So we've done two things simultaneously. We opened our production order. We got the feedback to the operator of which order it was down on the production line, and we've sent a message out to the fleet manager to go do a specific job. So at this point, an Auto 100 autonomous mobile robot is fetching the cart that has coffee K-cups, and it's going to bring it over to Jeff around the corner, and Jeff can finish the job and jazz up his coffee the way he likes. The robot will go navigate on its own, avoiding traffic and obstacles. It's going to find the most efficient path from point A to B. It will adjust as needed. Now, after a few more seconds, it's going to stow that cart back where it got it, because it always needs to put it back where it came from so it can find it next time. We've completed Jeff's order. We're going to close it up there, and then we have the option to print a label. What our label has is everything about Jeff's order. We know it's for Jeff. This time he ordered water. We have our order number from Plex that it generated, and we have which auto AMR delivered it and when.
Hi, come visit Yaskawa's booth at Automate. We're booth 841. This is our pub demo featuring a human collaborative robot. We'll be serving beers from 12:30 to 4:30, and we look forward to seeing everybody.
Hi, I'm John Clare. I'm a Senior Vice President of the Software Solutions Group for High-Tech Intralogistics based in Northern Kentucky. At Automate 2024, we're presenting kind of our whole package, our whole portfolio, but one of the things that we're really stressing is our Intro One platform. It's our software product that really connects all the pieces within the warehouse, whether that's the traditional WCS for low-level controls of conveyors and inline systems, to our WES functionality, which targets and really focuses the advanced automation, the goods-to-purchase technology, AMRs, all those types of technologies. And then last but not least, our WMS, which is kind of an underlying piece. Customers don't have to really use it all, but it's all built into a full-stack solution. It gives us a lot of options, a lot of flexibility to deliver really robust, broad solutions for our customers, very cost effective. It's all wrapped around configuration versus customization. And we think in the end, it really is a better long-term roadmap for our customers when they're looking at automation, because the one thing that we know for sure is what we're doing today isn't what we're going to be doing in 2 and 3 years. And we think Intro One is one of the keys to opening those opportunities now as well as down the road.
Hi, I'm Karsten Sladke from PhD, and I run the ITC department here. And I just want to start here at our booth, our showing of our standard product, new standard product, which is the vertical actuator, the ESZ, it's what it's called. This is one where you mount the saddle and the extrusion can get out of the way as you're doing a pick and place, allowing for more volume in your envelope of working payload. We've had the start of this actuator here, started with our horizontals that are on the same machine, which is called the ESU, and we have created a platform out of that ESU to kind of move forward and build these multi-axis systems for all sorts of different pick and place, sorting, 3D printing, any sort of application you can dream of where you need those three different angles of movement. And this right here is a partner product between PhD and Linmot. We are combining our prowess of mechanical design with Linmot's linear motor drives to achieve higher speeds, higher capabilities in terms of accuracy, etc. And also some of these full systems that we have where Linmot's willing to provide the motors, the speed, the actuators, and we create a mechanical design that ends up being a holistic system. This here is called a lane diverter or a soft eject. And it will take a part that's on a conveyor and take a rejected part and divert it from that conveyor to a secondary conveyor of those rejected parts. The main point here being we've taken a very complex application, we've partnered with another company to make that application very easy, straightforward, easy to program, easy to implement, and easy to use. We have right here the ERPD, also known as the electro-pneumatic remote drive. And this is a closed loop system that is fully electrically powered that you can take and power any normal pneumatic bidirectional actuator. It's very energy efficient because the air that you would normally exhaust from a valve, or in the circumstance of a unidirectional rotary compressor, you're actually using that air to power the next cycle on the actuator. If you can see here, we can actuate those pneumatics fully electrically without changing the design of our line, without revetting the actuator, no extra engineering. And on top of that, we're moving the weight of the motor away from the application itself, which tends to influence press applications, robotics applications where you want to have higher payload for that robot, and the weight of the motor might push you to a higher size of robot, which tends to be a pretty expensive gig. You can use it to actuate one actuator at a time, multiple actuators at once, or even multiple actuators that work in a sequence that are actuating at different times with one motorized mechanism. So that's really what we're all about here. We're creating efficiency. We're working towards improving customers' carbon footprint who care about it. We're also there to improve cost savings for customers who want to electrify multiple actuators that are pneumatic at once.